Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the United States. As we cross over the historic BlueWater Bridge from Sarnia, Ontario to Port Huron, Michigan, we are traveling over the St. Clair River, which connects Lake Huron to Lake St. Clair. This bridge is a vital link between Canada and the United States, serving as a key route for trade and travel between the two countries. We are driving across a marvel of engineering, with its twin spans that allow for smooth traffic flow in both directions. As we drive, we can enjoy the stunning views of the river and the surrounding landscape, which is a mix of natural beauty and industrial activity. As we approach the U.S. border checkpoint, we hand over our passports to the border officer.
Thank you very much.
The officer asks us a few routine questions. Where are you from? And what is the purpose of your visit? The officer nods, wishes us a good trip, and waves us through. Port Huron, our destination on the U.S. side, sits at the southern end of Lake Huron and is known for its maritime heritage. As we continue our journey, we are entering the Great Lakes region, a place known for its stunning natural beauty and important role in North American trade. The Great Lakes are the largest group of freshwater lakes on Earth by total area, and they have been a crucial part of the region's economy and culture for centuries. Whether you're here for business or pleasure, the BlueWater Bridge crossing offers a gateway to adventure and discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Thanks for watching!